In the digital age, marketing an online business has become both an art and a science. With countless opportunities to reach a global audience, the internet has leveled the playing field for businesses of all sizes. However, this vast landscape also presents intense competition, making effective online marketing crucial for success. This comprehensive guide will explore the intricacies of marketing an online business, offering a 360-degree view of strategies, tactics, and tools that can help you thrive in the digital realm. The internet is an incredibly powerful tool for reaching potential customers. It provides access to a global audience and offers a cost-effective way to market products and services. To harness this power, it's essential to understand the digital landscape. Online businesses come in various forms, such as e-commerce, subscription services, content creation, and software as a service, SaaS. Each type requires a tailored approach to marketing, but the fundamental principles remain the same. Before embarking on your marketing journey, thorough market research is critical. It helps you understand your target audience, identify competitors, and uncover opportunities for growth. Finding your niche is the first step in crafting a unique value proposition. This involves identifying a specific segment of the market that your business can serve exceptionally well. Your brand is not just a logo, it's the perception your business creates in the minds of your customers. A strong brand builds trust and loyalty. Your value proposition should clearly communicate what sets your business apart. It should highlight the benefits you offer and why customers should choose you over competitors. A well-designed website is the cornerstone of your online presence. It's where customers learn about your business, products, and services. Ensure it's mobile-friendly, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. SEO is a critical element of online marketing. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search results, driving organic traffic to your site. High-quality, relevant content engages your audience and boosts your SEO efforts. Blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics can all be part of your content marketing strategy. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Identify which platforms your target audience frequents and create engaging content to foster relationships. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for reaching your audience directly. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to keep customers informed and engaged. Google Ads allows you to display your ads in Google search results and on other websites within the Google Display Network. This can be a highly targeted way to reach potential customers. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer robust advertising options to target specific demographics and interests. Display ads can be an effective way to raise brand awareness. These graphical ads can be placed on relevant websites to capture the attention of potential customers. Remarketing targets users who have previously interacted with your website or ads. It's a powerful way to re-engage potential customers. To ensure your advertising efforts are profitable, it's crucial to measure and analyze the return on investment. Use tools like Google Analytics to track conversions and assess ad performance. Creating informative, valuable blog content can help position your business as an authority in your niche and attract organic traffic. Video content is highly engaging and can be used on your website, social media, and video sharing platforms like YouTube. Podcasts offer a unique way to connect with your audience and provide valuable information or entertainment related to your niche. Infographics and visual content can simplify complex information and make it more shareable on social media. Partnering with influencers in your industry can help you reach their dedicated following and build trust with their audience. Optimizing your website's on-page elements, including keywords, meta descriptions, and header tags, can boost your search engine rankings. Off-page optimization involves building high-quality backlinks from other websites, which can significantly impact your site's authority and visibility. Technical SEO focuses on the behind-the-scenes aspects of your website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, and crawlability. If you have a physical location, local SEO is crucial. It helps local customers find your business through searches and map services. Use analytics tools to track your SEO efforts and assess their impact on your website's traffic and conversions. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Understand the strengths and demographics of each platform to choose the right ones for your business. Consistency is key in social media. Plan and schedule your content to maintain an active presence. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Foster a community around your brand. Social media advertising offers robust targeting options and can be a cost-effective way to reach your audience. Measure the effectiveness of your social media efforts by analyzing metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversions. Grow your email list by offering incentives, such as discounts or valuable content, in exchange for customers' contact information. Design compelling email campaigns that resonate with your audience. A/B testing can help refine your messages. Test different email elements, such as subject lines, content, and CTAs, to discover what resonates best with your audience. Personalize your emails to address the specific needs and preferences of individual subscribers. Ensure your email marketing complies with relevant data privacy laws, such as GDPR or CAN-SPAM, to maintain trust with your subscribers. Leverage web analytics tools like Google Analytics to gather essential data about your website's performance. These tools provide insights into visitor behavior, traffic sources, and more. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your business goals. Common metrics to monitor include website traffic, conversion rates, bounce rates, and click-through rates. CRO focuses on improving the percentage of website visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase. Testing and optimizing landing pages and CTAs can lead to higher conversions. A positive user experience is essential. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and provides a seamless experience on various devices. Experiment with different variations of web pages, emails, and ad campaigns using A/B testing. This data-driven approach can reveal which strategies are most effective. Positive online reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers can enhance your reputation and credibility. Encourage customers to leave reviews and respond promptly to feedback. Use customer testimonials on your website and marketing materials to showcase the positive experiences others have had with your products or services. Transparency in your business operations builds trust. Be open about your policies, pricing, and company values. Create authoritative and well-researched content that positions your business as a trusted source of information within your niche. For online retailers, a well-optimized e-commerce website is vital. Ensure a seamless shopping experience, from product listings to checkout. Protecting customer data is paramount. Implement secure payment processing systems and prominently display trust badges to instill confidence. Detailed, accurate product listings and descriptions help customers make informed purchase decisions. Combat cart abandonment by sending reminder emails and offering incentives to complete the purchase. Focus on retaining existing customers through loyalty programs, personalized recommendations, and exceptional customer service. Ensure your website and emails are mobile responsive to cater to the growing number of users on mobile devices. Consider developing a mobile app to offer a convenient, customized experience for your audience. Leverage location data to deliver personalized content or promotions to users based on their geographical proximity to your business. Engage customers through SMS and push notifications, offering timely updates, promotions, and reminders. Use mobile advertising platforms to target users specifically on mobile devices, optimizing your ad content for smaller screens. Implement a CRM system to manage customer data, track interactions, and deliver personalized experiences. Create loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and incentivize brand loyalty. Engage in social responsibility initiatives and community involvement to showcase your commitment to making a positive impact. Encourage customers to create and share content related to your products or services, fostering community engagement and brand advocacy. Expand into international markets strategically, considering factors like language, culture, and local competition. Adapt your website content, currency, and payment methods to cater to international audiences. Understand cultural nuances and sensitivities when crafting marketing campaigns for different regions. Comply with international laws and regulations, including tax codes and data protection laws. Offer diverse payment methods to accommodate international customers, ensuring ease of transactions. Determine a realistic budget that aligns with your business goals and financial capabilities. Regularly assess your marketing efforts by measuring the ROI. Understand which strategies generate the most revenue and adjust your budget accordingly. Flexibility is key. Adapt your marketing strategy based on the performance data you collect. As your business grows, allocate more resources to marketing to reach a broader audience and capitalize on new opportunities. Study successful online businesses in your industry to learn from their marketing strategies and tactics. Explore AI-powered tools for personalization, data analysis, and customer service to enhance your marketing efforts. Optimize your content for voice search to accommodate the growing use of voice-activated devices. Consider incorporating AR and VR experiences into your marketing campaigns to provide immersive interactions with your products or services. Stay informed about blockchain and cryptocurrency trends and consider their implications for online payments and transactions. The digital landscape is ever evolving. Stay updated with emerging trends and technologies to remain competitive in the online marketplace. Marketing an online business is a dynamic and multifaceted endeavor, requiring a deep understanding of the digital landscape, consumer behavior, and the latest technological advances. This guide serves as a comprehensive resource for entrepreneurs, marketers, and business owners seeking to succeed in the online realm. By harnessing the power of effective online marketing, you can reach and engage with your target audience, build a thriving brand, and drive sustainable growth in the digital age. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.